Hello students, today we are going to discuss question number 8.15 from the book University Physics. In this question we are given that a block is placed on a wedge as shown in the figure and the block starts sliding and the wedge also starts sliding on the ground and all the surfaces are given to be rough. So we are asked about the motion of center of mass of the system. So we know that the net external forces are only responsible for the motion of center of mass. So this will be our equation. Now if we are talking about the y-axis, I can say that this small block will be accelerated in this direction down the incline. So it will have an acceleration in both horizontal and vertical direction. And at the same time, the acceleration of this wedge in vertical direction will be equal to 0. So I can say that the acceleration of center of mass in y direction will be in downward direction, because the acceleration of this wedge is 0 and it has some acceleration, so center of mass will accelerate downwards. Now if we're talking about the x-axis, to analyze the motion of x-axis, I can say that this small block will imply a force normal reaction on this wedge in this direction, and due to this force the wedge will try to move in this direction, and to stop this tendency of relative motion the friction force will apply on the wedge in this direction, and this is the only external force applied on the system in x direction. So I can say, since the net external force is in this direction, so center of mass will be having acceleration in this direction. So I can say that the net acceleration of the center of mass will be rightward and downward. So our answer will be option